The National Human Rights Commission, the NHRC, is asking the federal and state governments to protect the rights of citizens to peaceful demonstrations as it vows to monitor the October 1st protest across the country and bring those who violate the right to protest to account. Addressing journalists in Abuja, the Executive Secretary of the Commission, Mr. Tony Ojukwu, also decried what he describes as a clampdown of protesters and the subsequent criminal prosecutions following the August 2024 End Bad Governance protests. Mr. Ojukwu also calls on the federal and state governments to ensure that the October protests are peaceful and that protesters are given the necessary support and leverage to conduct themselves in a civilized manner.
The National Human Rights Commission notes with concern the clampdown of protesters and their subsequent criminal prosecutions following the August 2024 End Bad Governance protests across the parts of Nigeria. The August protests led to loss of lives and public and private properties, but it is yet to be seen that there have been arrests and prosecution of law enforcement and security agents who were primarily responsible for these violations. We call on the federal and state governments to ensure that October protests are peaceful and that the protesters are given necessary support and leverage to conduct themselves in a civilized manner, including protecting them from counter-protesters and mobs. The state has an obligation to protect individuals exercising their rights from violence or intimidation by third parties. This includes ensuring that protests can occur without fear of repression, prosecution, or violent backlash. Government must deploy its apparatus for the protection of private and public properties, as well as the lives of protesters and non-protesters before, during, and after the protest.